Yeah, I've been knowing Mike going on, what, 6 years now. Mike's a great guy, small businessman that works hard at his business. He did some work for me. He done it promptly, professionally. I couldn't have been happier with the job he did.
We are fully licensed and insured. We have no illegal aliens on our staff. We do criminal background check and drug testing for all of our employees. When you hire us, you won't have to worry about some criminal running around on your property or in your backyard near your children.
We focus on detail and making sure the weeds are pulled, shrubs are manicured, make sure all the detail stuff is done. We also provide fertilizing, tree pruning, tree removal, and lot sweeping. We can do anything. As a full-service lawn company, we can also handle all your irrigation needs. If your sprinkler system doesn't work, we can fix it or install a brand new one. The thing about my business I'm most proud of is the way we have grown each year, year in, year out. We don't lose customers, we always gain customers. The reason for that is our standards are high. When we leave your yard, it's not just mowed, it's manicured. It's a showcase.